morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I'm good, Mayank. How are you? Good morning, Swati. Good morning, Mayank. Awesome. Good morning, Sonia. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Usha. I'm good, Mayank. Thank you so much for asking. I'm good, Swati. I'm absolutely fine. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, Prince. Good morning. Good morning, Kush. मैम आई ऑलवेज फाइन कुछ नहीं होता मैम आई एम ऑलवेज फाइन होता है ठीक है ओके समझ आया So how was your day everyone? You enjoyed yesterday activity? The activity that was given to you yesterday, you enjoyed that? Good morning Purvi. I'm good Kush, how are you? You enjoyed yesterday's activity everyone? I'm asking, you enjoyed yesterday's activity everyone? I am send it to you. I am send it to you. I have sent it to you होता है ठीक है I'm good Anita, how are you? I'm also fine, thank you. Good, awesome. Very good. So very soon you all will be given your task that you have to present by the end of this summer camp. So all of you be prepared for that, and you can either you will all receive certificates for that also. So give your level best, and that's why video preparation is being given to you on regular basis so that you can perform very good in the competition. Okay. So you have to make sure that you are preparing your videos every day and you are sending it to me. Otherwise, I will not be able to judge anyone. And after this session, please be active on your mails, everyone. Please be active on your mails because after this session, I will be seeing your videos. Like I have seen many of the videos, I will see all the videos and I will give a feedback to all of you via mail only. Okay? So be active on your mails. Right everyone? समझ आया? Got it? Got it everyone? Everyone, you got to understand what I said just now? कि इस सेशन के बाद मैं आप लोगों की वीडियोस चेक करूँगी सारी मैंने ऑलरेडी देखी है थोड़ी बहुत and I will check all your videos and I will give feedback on the mails only. So be active over there. That's what I'm saying, okay? Alright. So today, you will get to know about that. The authorities of Rawal School, like the Rawal Digital Month, they will let you know about it, okay? They will let you know about it, okay? Right, everyone? Okay. So what do you feel like we will be talking about today, everyone? What do you want me to talk about today? Tell me. Let's answer. Let me ask you what you want me to talk about today. Because I have a topic in my mind and it's very, very important. But let me ask you, what do you want me to talk about today? What you all want me to talk about today, everyone? Hmm. What you all want me to talk about today, everyone? आप क्या चाहते हैं कि आज हम कौन सा टॉपिक? सिचुएशन मैनेजमेंट. Okay. I believe this topic will not be covered over here just because of the major fact, because there are students those who are in 5th and 6th standard. So that's a topic that needs to be done for above 16 years of age. So I have to take that into consideration as well, okay? But yeah, we can include some topics, we can include some examples. We can do that, okay? As your wish. What give me your inputs everyone कि आपको क्या लगता है कि इस बारे में बात होनी चाहिए और अभी तक हुई नहीं है. Everyone, how to feel positive in life. पॉजिटिविटी के ऊपर तो सेशन लिया है मैंने. I have taken the session on positivity, mindset, everything, right? You can go and you can watch that. Maybe it was that day 1 only. It was the day 1. So you can go at Raval Digital Month's Facebook page. You will find that live. You will find the recording of that live and you can watch it, okay? Getting angry, we talked about it yesterday. Like how to control your anger, right? You can watch the yesterday's session and you can get to learn from there. What else, everyone? What else do you feel like that we need to talk about today? Open up your minds. Open up your minds, everyone. This is why you are in personality development class. This is the importance of having personality development. What do you think we should discuss today, everyone? Because I should also receive your input. कि मैम आप इस चीज़ पे बात करो. We want you to speak on this. This is something that we face. Okay, talk sweetly. Okay, mindset development के बारे में I have talked about. That's what I am saying ना. Mindset development के बारे में I have talked about on day 1 only. You can go and watch the live session. And to talk sweetly is all about communication, right? Communication के ऊपर मैंने I believe day 3 पे session लिया था. You can go back to day 3. You can go back to the live sessions of the Raval Digital Month and you will find the day 3rd and you can find out day 2nd में हुआ था या day 3rd पे हुआ था. You can go and watch out the communication वाला. What else, everyone? What else do you want me to talk about? What else? Okay. So let me tell you. You all are not telling me. So let me tell you what I have in my mind to talk about today. Are you all excited to know about it? Self-knowledge. How can I tell you how you can have self-knowledge, everyone? That is something that you have to improve. And today's topic is somehow related to self-knowledge only. Somehow it's related to self-knowledge only. So everyone, are you excited for the day? Excited for the day, everyone? Even I am very excited. How to achieve our goals? Very good. This is a good topic. Goal achievement and goal development is a good topic. We will talk about goal development and goal achievement tomorrow. Okay? We will talk about goal development and goal achievement tomorrow. How to enhance memory power. That is taught in the school only. स्कूल में बोलते हैं ना याद करके आओ. And memory power is nothing but what is your level of concentration, everyone. The better you are at the level of your concentration, the better is your memory power. So enhance your memory power by engaging yourself in something wherein you are focusing yourself, okay? Only then you will be able to have that kind of memory power, alright? So let's move forward for the session for the day. And today's topic is about personal growth and personal development. Personal growth and personal development, okay? So what do you, everybody, what is your perception about personal growth and personal development? What do you understand by personal growth and personal development? Everyone, what do you understand by personal growth and personal development? Everyone, फटाफट बताओ. What is your understanding of personal growth and personal development? Ma'am, subconscious mind. Okay, we can talk about that. How to achieve a set goal, we will talk about it tomorrow, dear. Anshika, we will talk about it tomorrow. Personal growth to increase our knowledge on daily basis. Exactly. Growth of our mind. Exactly. What else? What else is Personal growth and personal development, everyone. What else is it? और क्या है पर्सनल ग्रोथ एंड पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट? व्हाट डू यू थिंक इट इज? आपको क्या लगता है कि हाँ ये चीज़ होती है पर्सनल ग्रोथ, ये चीज़ होती है पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट? एवरीवन, व्हाई आर यू सो म्यूट टुडे? एवरीवन, व्हाई आर यू सो म्यूट टुडे? यू हैव टू एंगेज योरसेल्फ. नींद में हो? नींद में हो आप लोग? या गूगल पे जाके सर्च कर रहे हो कि होता क्या है जब यहाँ लिखेंगे growth of our mind, development of our knowledge and skills? Okay, so let me tell you, personal growth and personal development means that the person you were yesterday and the person you are today has a difference in terms of learning, has a difference in terms of learning. Personal growth को अगर मैं simple knowledge में बताऊँ तो for example on 1st Jan 2021 you were a kind of person, okay, and every day for the entire year you made it a point that every day you will start learning something new, or either you will start reading some books, or you will help somebody in upgrading yourself, or you will learn something new, or you will have a teacher to help you, or whatsoever. So in this journey what happens over there is you are upgrading your knowledge every day. You are upgrading your knowledge every day. So the person you were on 1st Jan and the person you will be on 31st of December 2021 will be two different personalities, isn't it? Will be two different personalities in terms of confidence, in terms of mindset, in terms of knowledge, in terms of self-confidence also, in terms of mindset also, isn't it everyone? Their outlook towards life would be different. This is known as personal growth and personal development. All of you tell me what is 1 to the power 365? I asked you on the other day, right? Give me once again that what is 1 to the power 365 everyone? हमने exponential powers पढ़ी है ना? So what is 1 to the power 365 everyone? What is 1 to the power 365? 1, right? But what is 1.01 की power 365? What is 1.01 की power 365? It makes a huge lot of difference, right? It will make a huge lot of difference just because this is known as personal growth and personal development. Every day you are learning something new, that is 0.1 something new, and by the end of the year you will learn something new for the continuous 365 days, and then you will be able to come out as a beautiful personality. समझ आया? Personal growth is very 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 important if you want to develop your personality. अगर मैं भी अपनी बात करूँ, yesterday only I uploaded a picture of on my Instagram wherein I just showed my picture when I'm 4 years back, and I showed a picture today. It was a picture of 2-3 months back. It was a picture of 2-3 months back, and when I was preparing that, even I was feeling that I have developed a lot. Even I have changed a lot in terms of my personality, in terms of my skill. The person I was and the person I am today has a huge lot of difference. The way I see myself today has a huge lot of difference. The way I do my work has a huge lot of difference. The way I talk to people has a huge lot of difference. The way I didn't have any goal that time, 4 years back, but now I have a lot of goals to achieve. So this is what is known as personal growth. And when I was comparing myself for 4 years back and now, I was actually feeling good. And I was having this aspiration that so many people need to do that. So many people need to do that in order to upgrade themselves. Do you all agree with this, that we all need to upgrade ourselves? That we all need to upgrade ourselves, isn't it everyone? Isn't it everyone? That we all need to upgrade ourselves on a regular basis? Yes, exactly, very true. We have to upgrade ourselves on a regular basis. Until and unless we don't do that, we will not come out as a person of a lot of value. And you need to have a lot of value in your life, everyone. That's how you just upgrade yourself, okay? Make sense everyone? समझ आया सबको? Personal growth समझ आ गया? क्या है? Basic समझ आ गया? आप भी कभी कभी अपनी फोटो देखते हो, like suppose you are opening the gallery and you saw your picture 2 years back. So that person and this person has a lot of changes, right? These two personalities have a lot of changes. So this is known as personal growth, everyone. Okay, everyone? Okay, समझ आया? Just give me a moment, everyone. Just give me a moment. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much for waiting. There was a phone ringing before. So yeah. So let's move forward to the day and let's talk about that how you can increase your personal growth development. How you can kickstart your personal development journey. All of you are excited for that? All of you are excited to know how you can kickstart your personal growth journey? Everyone? Are you excited to know about it? How to increase your, how to develop and how to start your personal growth journey, everyone? Excited? Because it's very interesting. It's very, very interesting. So first of all, the first step towards building your, I would say personal growth journey, which I did, was to find something I really wanted to develop in myself. What happens over here is कि हम लोग किसी एक चीज़ पे फोकस नहीं करते. हम लोग सोचते हैं हम ये भी सीख ले, हम वो भी सीख ले, हम वो भी सीख ले. तो व्हाट हैपन्स ओवर देयर इज हम कुछ भी नहीं सीख पाते. It's very important you focus on one thing. Either it can be cricket or it can be with your studies. Either it can be cricket or it can be skill, it can be digital marketing, it can be affiliate marketing, it can be social media marketing, it can be dancing, it can be singing, it can be painting. So your first task is to identify what do you really like. And this is known as your passion. Okay? This is known as your passion. That, exactly. When you indulge yourself in a lot of things, you get disturbed, you get puzzled up, you get confused. The first step is to find out what you really want to be, what you really love, what really excites you. So the first step has to be to know what you want to do in your life, what you want to learn in your life. Okay, the first step is to get the clarity. Clarity is very, very important. Like in my case, I was 100% clear that I want to do something in communication domain. And that's what I did. Right? So similarly, when I started doing it on a regular basis, the person I was who was really underconfident and the person I am today, teaching a lot of people, mentoring a lot of people, upgrading the lives of many people, that's what it is all because of personal development. And when you do personal development, it's very important to understand the concept of self-investment. Do you all love things that come for free? Tell me. आपके सामने कोई चीज़ अगर मैं रख दूँ जिसके आपको 2000 रुपये देने पड़ेंगे एंड एक चीज़ में रख दो जो फ्री लोगे आप. So which one you will choose, everyone? Which one you will choose, everyone? Tell me, फटाफट. There is a thing that is available for free and there is a thing that you have to pay 2000 rupees. Which one you will choose, everyone? Tell me the honest answer. Free, right? Free wala? Free, yeah. This is the mindset that we need to change. ये जो free वाला mindset है ना लोगों का और आप लोगों का भी, you need to change that. Always remember there are no free lunches available. Never ever, no free lunches available. All of you remember one thing. When you offer something that's free, it will not have that much of quality. For example, I also give free webinars. I also take a free master classes. Right? I am just telling you my personal example, wherein I teach people for communication. Right? The thing is, during my webinar, I give an opportunity to people so that they can become a part of my community. Wherein they will be able to learn from me. I provide them personal attention. I give them personal guidance, and they can upgrade their communication skills. But what happens over there is, like, people are so addicted towards free knowledge that when an opportunity comes in their way to upgrade themselves by paying an amount, they just run away. So it is very, very important, people, to understand when you pay for something, you are really putting in information. You are really interested for that. You give all your attention to that. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर टाइम इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर कोई आपको बोलता है कि मैं आपको ये वाली चीज़ 1 महीने में सिखाऊंगा लेकिन मैं इसके पैसे नहीं लूँगा, और एक कोई इंसान बोलता है कि मैं आपको यही चीज़ सिखाऊंगा, so I will charge 5,000 rupees and I will teach you within 13 days. Which one you will choose, everyone? Which one you will choose, everyone? Tell me honestly. एक इंसान है, वो आपको बोलता है कि मैं आपको ये वाली चीज़ 1 महीने में सिखाऊंगा लेकिन फ्री सिखाऊंगा. नेक्स्ट इज, वो बोलता है कि मैं आपको पर्सनल गाइडेंस दूंगा, सब कुछ दूंगा, मैं आपको यही सेम चीज़ सिखाऊंगा 13 डेज के अंदर अंदर, एंड आई विल चार्ज एन अमाउंट फॉर दैट. विच वन यू विल चूज? 30 डेज पेड. ओके, तो ये जो माइंडसेट है आप लोगों का, यू हैव टू चेंज दैट एवरीवन, बिकॉज टाइम इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. once you go into something, then only you upgrade yourself, and then only you will be able to upgrade more. Give more importance to your time than your money, because time once gone will not be returned back, but once you will be able to pay somebody to get those skills, maybe 30 days के बाद आप 15 दिन लगाओगे अपना एक्शन लेने में, कुछ सीखने, उसके बाद उसको मोनेटाइज करने में, राइट? अब 13 दिन में अगर आपको कोई कुछ सिखा रहा है पेड करके, तो उसके बाद आपको वो रेडीमेड चीज़ दे रहा है कि हाँ अब ये चीज़ अप्लाई करो, एंड फ्रॉम द वेरी नेक्स्ट डे यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू, यू विल बी एबल टू स्टार्ट अर्निंग, राइट? तो वेरी कोई अपना टाइम खराब नहीं करता. ये वाला जो माइंडसेट है ना आप लोगों का, ये वाला चीज़ भी बहुत खराब है कि लोग अपना टाइम खराब करते हैं. आपको लगता है कि अगर आप इससे बात कर रहे हो अपना टाइम खराब कर रहे हो. नो एवरीवन, whenever you are talking to somebody, or whenever you are paying attention to somebody, you are investing your time, you are not wasting your time. Right now also कुछ लोग को लगता होगा जो फर्स्ट डे पे 100 लोग आए थे कि उनका टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है किसी को 1 घंटा सुन के. बट इट्स वेरी important that you have to make sure that you are investing your time. When you invest your time, energy and money, you create results. That's very important. All of you need to understand this, that self investment is very important. टाइम खराब करना कुछ नहीं होता अपने ऊपर. आप अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल एप्पल आईफोन वाले अगर सेल लगा दे दैट ऑल ऑफ देयर आईफोन्स आर अवेलेबल एट 75% ऑफ. जो आईफोन 50,000 60,000 का है वो आपको 15,000 का मिल रहा है, न्यू, ब्रांड न्यू फ्रॉम द शोरूम. विल यू ऑल बाय इट एवरीवन? आप ये बाय करोगे ना एवरीवन? एन आईफोन इज गेटिंग अवेलेबल टू यू. 60,000 का आईफोन आपको 15,000 का मिल रहा है, ब्रांड न्यू फ्रॉम द शोरूम. विल यू बाय इट एवरीवन? Will you buy it? Give me a yes or a no. You will buy it, right? But when an opportunity comes in front of you to upgrade yourself, to develop yourself, then you think so many times to invest in yourself, right? You think about कि अगर मेरे को धोखा मिल गया तो, मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ ना हुआ तो. So all of you remember this self investment is very important, and in your personal growth journey, have a mentor who will guide you how to earn money, and who will guide you that through how many ways you will not be able to earn one iPhone, but you will be able to earn thousands and thousands of iPhones. Right? So it's very important everyone that you invest in yourself, even why this kind of mindset is in there all of you, because your parents have that, and उनकी भी गलती नहीं है, just because उनकी अपग्रेडेशन वैसी हुई है, but the time is changing everyone. You have to focus on one thing, that skills are very important, and if somebody is teaching you skills, invest on that, because skills are very important. Skills are very important in order to develop in your life, right everyone? समझ आया सबको? So I wanted to break this mental stigma that you all have in your mind in terms of self-investment. Don't focus on free knowledge everyone. फ्री कब तक ले लोगे आप? जिंदगी फ्री में चला दोगे, फिर तो आप किसी के पास जॉब की फ्री में कर लेना, right? When you go for a job somewhere, what do you do over there? You work for money, right? So if you are so very interested in free, तो ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है ना कि आपका एम्प्लॉयर बोल दे कि आप मेरे साथ फ्री में काम कर लो, यू आर सो वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन वर्क इन हैविंग थिंग्स फॉर फ्री, मेरे लिए भी फ्री में काम कर दो। आप करोगे फ्री में काम कभी किसी के लिए? विल यू वर्क फॉर समबडी फॉर फ्री? एनीवन? विल यू बी इंटरेस्टेड इन अपग्रेडिंग एनीवन हु इज always focusing on the free? Hanji, will you work for that kind of person who is telling you to work for him or her for free? No, right? So when it comes to yourself, think about it in that way, that yes, self investment is something that is very 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 important, very important. And today why many of the students are not taking up the first day में बहुत सारे बच्चे आए थे और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे कम हो गए, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने इसके लिए पे नहीं किया ना, क्योंकि उन्होंने इसके लिए पे नहीं किया, क्योंकि उन्होंने पे नहीं किया। अगर आप किस चीज़ के लिए पे करते हो उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ जाती है, आप ज़्यादा अटेंशन देते हो, आप ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालते हो सीखने का, और जब कोई चीज़ फ्री में होती है यू टेक दैट फॉर ग्रांटेड, right? You take that for granted. So always remember everyone, it's very very important that you focus on your self development. ये जो आपके कुछ साल होते हैं ना, from your 15 years of age till 25 years of age, I know such kind of people, they are mere 12 to 13 years of age and they are earning 1 crore rupees, 2 crore rupees, just focusing upon their skills. So you can also do that, you can also grow yourself, you all can do that. But the basic thing is, you have to take that decision for yourself that I want to upgrade myself. Right everyone? समझ आया? समझ आया सबको? समझ आया? Good, good, good. And even for the parents, those who are watching this, trust me, there is no limit to learn something. Trust me, there is no limit to learn something. Right now, these days, I see people of 35, 34, 40 years of age, they learn a skill and they are monetizing it like anything. So if you feel like कि मेरी तो उम्र जा चुकी है ये सब करने की, I will not be able to do that, trust me, this is a very good time to upgrade yourself. There is no limit and there is no time limit to upgrade yourself. The best time is when your eye opens. The best time is when your eye opens, right? Always remember, you are not here to live a mediocre life, everyone. You are not here to live a mediocre life. You are here to just do something amazing in your life. You are over here to do something amazing in your life, and this is what I tell to all of my students, those who become my mentees. So I tell them one thing, and that one thing is that you are alive and be thankful for that, because the person who died yesterday night had plans for today morning. The person who died yesterday night had plans for today morning. The person who died today morning had plans for today evening. So you never know when it is your last moment on this planet, on this earth. So you have to make it count, everyone. You don't have to live a mediocre life that you are thinking every second before buying something, before doing something. Right? So develop yourself in such type of way that you can develop and you can live a beautiful life in your life. Because your time is limited. You only have limited time over here. You are not here for thousands and thousands of years. You are over here for 50 years, 60 years, max to max 70, 80 years. Right? Your time is limited. Make that count. समझ आया? Make that count, everyone. Make that count. This is known as personality development. When you understand all these things, and then you start investing on yourself, then you start upgrading yourself, then you take a mentorship from somebody, then you be with somebody, they help you in upgrading yourself, they help you to grow yourself. This is known as personal development, and this is known as personality development. I have grown by investing around 10 lakh rupees on myself. I have done that. Even when I went to Goa for my training costed me rupees 1.5 lakh rupees. और ट्रैवलिंग अलग, होटल अलग, जो मैं 2 दिन पहले गई थी, घूमना फिरना अलग, that was another thing. So if you want to grow in your life, everyone, you have to take the pain initially, and ultimately everything else will follow. Everything else will follow. The growth will follow. The money will follow you. The efforts will follow you. You have to develop yourself. This is known as exact meaning of personality development, everyone. This is the real meaning of personality development. समझ आया सबको? Got to understand? Got to understand, everyone? समझ आया? Got to understand, everyone? And everybody, I am not able to understand why the number of students are actually decreasing every day. What is the problem, everyone? That is there any problem? Why the students are not coming up? Why are students not coming up? Why are students not coming up? This is something which is not acceptable. If your school is doing something which is really remarkable, if your school is doing something that is very, very crucial, because I don't believe any school is doing that right now. And if your school is doing it, so you have to make sure आपके जितने भी friends हैं उनको बोला करो क्लास में आने के लिए. वो क्या करते हैं घर पे? सो रहे होंगे ना, और क्या कर रहे होंगे? कुछ और तो है नहीं, अभी क्योंकि छुट्टियाँ चल रही हैं. So always remember, tell other people to come up to the class, to show up in the class. Right? If you are not coming up, it means that you are doing something which is not good. Because this class is for you. Your school is investing upon you and you are not coming in. This is something that is not appreciable, everyone. Right? समझ आया? So you will tell your friends also to come up, okay? And when the class starts, give a reminder to your friend कि आ जाओ, class start हो गई. समझ आया सबको? Everyone, got to understand? Got to understand, everyone, that ऐसा होता है. So just tell your friends that please come up. The class has started, okay? Awesome, everyone, awesome. Because on the first day there were 100 students and seeing such a fall, and it's not only in my class, it's in everybody's class. Like I was seeing Amrit ma'am's class also, right? I was seeing Amrit ma'am's class also. She is doing so good. Like painting class में भी बहुत कम बच्चे थे. I was seeing that. So this is not something that is acceptable, everyone. अगर आपका स्कूल है और आपके टीचर्स कुछ ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं और आपके स्टूडेंट्स ना आए तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? अच्छा लगेगा? What do you want me to explain, Swati? Just write it down. And अगर आपको समझ नहीं आता है, everyone, तो इतना हाइपर मत हुआ करो कि मैम समझ नहीं आया. All these sessions are recorded. You will get the recording on Raval Digital Month Facebook page only. So once the session gets over, you can just go and you can see the replay as well. Okay? You can see the replay as well. Okay, everyone? So all of you, make sure that your friends are coming up to the class. And you are showing that yes, you are really a good friend. Okay? The next thing that we will be talking about today is personal development, personal growth. हमने थोड़ा बहुत देखा क्या होता है. Next thing that we are going to talk about today is that personal growth आप कर रहे होते हो तो उसमें first step क्या है? To understand what do you want to do. Second is find a mentor. Find a mentor, find a teacher who can help you in growing yourself. Because अगर आप अकेले चलोगे तो definitely you will commit a lot of mistake, and at that point of time your time would be wasted. So it's very, very important to get yourself a mentor. You can get a lot of mentors now. You can search for them on Instagram, you can search for them on Google, and you can get a lot of people, those who can help you. So be in touch with them, take the help from them that yes, you want to upgrade yourself, and then you will be able to do that. Okay? The next thing all of you need to focus upon when you want to develop yourself is 3 good practice formula. 3 good practice formula, everyone. It's the 3 good factor formula, everyone. Write it down in your diaries. 3 good factor formula. Three good factor formula. What is this 3 good factor formula? It says that every day just write down 3 things you are grateful for. Every day write down 3 things you are grateful for. Every day when you go to bed, write down 3 things that went really good. Write down 3 things that went really good. And 3 things where you could have given your 100% लेकिन आपने दिया नहीं. This is known as 3 good factor practice. Right? Write down 3 things you are grateful for. Second is when you go back to bed at the night, write down 3 things that went really nice. And next you have to write down that 3 things जहाँ पे आप अपना 100% दे सकते थे लेकिन आपने नहीं दिया. जब आप ऐसे करते हो एक तो आपको अच्छा लगता है, your morning starts on a positive note, because when you shift from a low vibration to a vibration of abundance, you feel good because you are thankful, you are thanking God for everything you have. Okay, so that is something that you are starting your day on a very good note. Secondly, when you just go back to bed at night and when you are writing down something that really went good, so at that point of time you also start feeling good कि हाँ आज मैंने ये किया था. The third thing is when you go back to bed at night, you write down 3 things that you could have done given your 100%. It means when you write down those things, what happens over there is कि आप एक सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन करते हो. आपके पास दिमाग में एक चीज़ आती है कि हाँ इस चीज़ को करता, अगर यहाँ पे मैं 100% नहीं दिया, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 100% करूँ अगले दिन, तो आई विल बी एबल टू गेट मोर रिजल्ट. So all of you, it's very, very, very important that you are focusing upon this 3 good practice formula. 3 good practice formula is very, very, very important. First thing is write down 3 things you are grateful for. Second thing is when you go back to bed at night, write down 3 things that went really nice. And the third aspect towards that is that you have to write down 3 things that you could have done very good and you could have given your 100% during that day. समझ आया everyone? Yes, it's very nice, Himanshu. Yes, it is. Any doubts anyone? समझ आया सबको? समझ आया? Okay, very good. Okay, awesome. So next thing that we will talk about, ma'am, one is write down 3 things you are grateful for in the morning. When you wake up and maybe in the morning take out your diary and just write down 3 things you are grateful for. For example, you can write down, I'm very grateful, thank you God for this beautiful day, thank you God for my eyes, thank you God for my ears, thank you God for my nose, thank you God for my hands, thank you God for my legs, thank you God for my stomach, thank you God for my food, thank you God for this class, thank you for Ravel Digital Month. You can even say that, right? Because they are doing so good. You can even be thankful for me as well. You can say that thank you so much for Pooja ma'am, right? You can say thank you so much for my parents. This is known as gratitude, okay? This is known as gratitude. You have to give gratitude every day to God. You have to say thank you to God every day, right? The next thing that we have to talk about today is that personal growth में एक और चीज़ बहुत important होती है. You have to convert your dead time into your productive time. You have to convert your dead time into your productive time, everyone. What is the dead time according to you? Give me an input, everyone. What do you think this dead time is? Dead मतलब मरा हुआ time. You have to convert your dead time into productive time. What is the definition of dead over here, everyone? आपको अपना जो डेड टाइम है उसको प्रोडक्टिव टाइम में कन्वर्ट करना है. जो डेड का मतलब क्या होता है? जो मरा हुआ टाइम है उसको आपको एक अच्छी चीज़ में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन दिस डेड टाइम इज? व्हाट इज एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू यू दिस अबाउट दिस डेड टाइम? Exactly. In which person wastes his or her time? For example, on social media. Social media is actually wasting up your time these days, isn't it? Social media. Exactly. We are doing nothing. Or we are wasting our time, or the biggest wastage of time these days is nothing but social media. Social media. So now you have to understand one thing, people, that आपको अपने dead time को productive time में convert करना है. What happens over here is, suppose you are using Instagram, you are using Facebook. एक बार आप scroll करने लगते हो तो आपके हाथ रुकते हैं कभी? या आप scroll करते चले जाते हो ना? There is no pause. आपको बहुत टाइम बाद रियलाइज होता है कि हाँ मैं तो बहुत देर से फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. I have to stop doing it. So this is something that you have to focus upon, everybody, that you don't have to use so much of time as a dead time. You don't have so much of time. You only have 24 hours. You only have 24 hours, everyone. You have to convert it into something that is very, very, very productive. Very, very, very productive, everyone. So yes, make sure that you are using your time effectively. जब सोशल मीडिया पे टाइम यूज करते हैं, इवन पेरेंट्स प्लीज हैव अ चेक ऑन योर चाइल्ड, इवन टीचर्स ऑल्सो, लाइक यू शुड ऑल्सो एजुकेट चिल्ड्रन, लाइक कि वो सोशल मीडिया पे टाइम ज़्यादा स्पेंड ना करें, राइट? अगर आप करते हो तो यू आर मेकिंग योर टाइम गो टू वेस्ट. So what you can do in spite of wasting your time, you can either read a book, you can either watch a video that is motivational, or you can start studying. You can solve any sums of yours of math, you can either attend a class, you can do anything that is productive. You can go and play, you can do some exercise, you can do some breathing exercise, right? This is something that is known as using your dead time as a productive time, wherein you are doing something good. So all of you, we can do coding. Yes, you can do coding as well. You can do anything that is adding value to your life. Awesome. If you don't know what is social media, it's very good. अच्छी बात है. You can learn English. Yes. Okay, everyone. You have to make sure that you are utilizing your dead time as a productive time. Coding is best. Yes, it's very interesting. It's very, very interesting. So make sure, everyone, that you are using your time to develop something, to grow yourself. Okay. The next thing that you have to make sure over here is that you are giving yourself some space for doing something that you really like, and that can be anything. I might ride on a bicycle in the morning and evening. No, you will not ride a bicycle because COVID is going on. COVID is going on. You don't have to go out from your home, everyone. You have to be inside your home. You don't have to go outside. You don't have to go outside. And always remember, have motivation in your life. All of you, why don't you study? Why don't you why don't you study much? Why don't you like maths much? Anything which you don't like, anyone, we don't do that because we don't have motivation. We don't have clarity that why are we doing it, right? Maybe बहुत सारे लोगों को ये वाली चीज़ इसलिए समझ नहीं आती कि रावल डिजिटल मंच अगर इतना अच्छा समर कैंप लगा रहा है तो उसमें उनका फायदा है, वो चीज़ उनको समझ नहीं आ रही है. That's why they are not attending the class, right? You have to make sure, everyone, that whatever you are doing, your why is clear, your reason is clear to do something. Your reason behind doing something should be very, very, very clear. Should be very, very, very clear, right? When you have that clarity, when you have that thing in your mind, तो क्या होता है, आपके अंदर से मोटिवेशन आता है कि हाँ मुझे करना ही करना है. So people ask me that, ma'am, why are you able to work so much? You work from day till night. How are you able to do that? Because my why is clear. I want to educate people. I want to inspire more life. I want to impact more life. So this is my reason of doing something. Right? This is my reason of doing something. Similarly, it's very, very important, everyone, that you have your why very, very clear. In your personal growth journey, why plays a very important role. Okay, everyone, समझ आया? Whenever you will be preparing your to-do list, giving you a very good tip, everyone. Whenever you will be preparing your to-do list बनाते हो आप लोग? Everybody, you are preparing your to-do list? Everybody, are you preparing your to-do list? Give me a yes or a no. Are you preparing your to-do list? बना रहे हो आप लोग टू-डू लिस्ट या नहीं बनाते हो? बनाते हो ना? हाँ, तो जो आप टू-डू लिस्ट बनाते हो, टू-डू लिस्ट के साथ एक लाइन खींच के उसमें लिखा करो साइड में कि व्हाई आई वांट टू डू दिस टास्क, व्हाई आई वांट टू अटेंड पूजा मैम्स क्लास, व्हाई आई वांट टू अटेंड कोडिंग क्लास, व्हाई आई वांट टू डू दिस वर्क, व्हाई आई वांट टू मेडिटेट, व्हाई आई वांट टू डू, बिकॉज व्हेन योर व्हाई इज क्लियर, you give more attention to things. When your why is clear, you give more attention to things. अब आज से अपने टू डू लिस्ट के साथ आप एक लाइन खींचोगे, तो आपने टू डू लिस्ट की लिस्ट बना ली, अब लाइन खींच के उसके साथ उसका रीजन लिखो, दैट व्हाई यू वांट टू डू दैट. मेक योर व्हाई वेरी, वेरी, वेरी क्लियर, एवरीवन. समझ आए सबको? सबको बड़ी सीक्रेट बॉक्स की पड़ी होती है कि मैम आए, मैम सीक्रेट बॉक्स बताए और चली जाए। हाँ, पहले सीख तो लो, क्या सिखा रहे हैं आज, उस पे रहो। डोंट बी सो इम्पेशेंट एवरीवन। ओके ओके एवरीवन, समझ आया सबको? हैव पेशेंस इन योर लाइफ। Got to understand everyone? Got to understand? समझ आया सबको? First learn, exactly. Learning is very very important. You are here to learn. That is just an activity through which you will be able to know yourself, through which you will be able to upgrade yourself. Okay? Learning is very very important. Learning is very very important. Okay everyone? So the next thing that is very very important is having a positive attitude towards life. When I started my journey, this was very obvious that when I started my journey to develop myself, I had मेरे साथ बहुत सारे doubts आ जाते थे मेरे mind में कि will I be able to do that, मुझसे हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा लोग अच्छे हैं, I will not be able to do that. I used to compare myself. You also compare yourself to people. You also compare yourself to your friends. You also compare yourself to your cousin or your sister or your brother. You also do that, everyone. Everyone, do you compare yourself with others? Do you compare yourself with others, everyone? Do you do that? Everyone, do you compare yourself? You compare yourself, right? But when you compare yourself, what happens is your attention goes to somebody else apart from yourself. And when you compare yourself, you are depleting your power. You are going negative over here कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आपके माइंड में थॉट्स भी आते होंगे कि मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता, मुझसे तो होगा ही नहीं, मैं कैसे करूँगा, how I will be able to do it, and a lot of other things, right? So you have to make one thing very very sure, everyone, that in your personal development journey, when you are over here to grow yourself, it's very very important that you have a positive outlook towards life. You don't compare yourself, but you take inspiration from others कि अच्छा वो कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी तो कर सकती हूँ, वो कर सकते हैं तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. This is not rocket science. So you have to say such kind of positive statements to yourself. Okay, that's how you just grow yourself, everyone. That's how you just grow yourself, everyone. Okay, okay everyone, that's how you grow yourself. It's very very important that you don't compare yourself. Okay, you don't compare yourself. समझ आया? Don't compare yourself. Don't have self-doubt. Don't have negative outlook towards life. Never do that. Exactly. You can do anything, people. Even you can become an astronaut and you can go to moon, right? You can go to moon. If you want to drive a beautiful car, you can do that. If you really wish to become you want to become a sea diver, you want to become an aircrafter, if you want to become a pilot, you can do anything that you want, but you need correct guidance for that. And the correct guidance what says that focus on your journey. That is very very important. You can become a doctor, but उसके लिए आपको डॉक्टर से पढ़ना भी तो पड़ता है ना, right? So it's very very important, everybody, that you focus on your learning. You focus on yourself. अगर आप बाकी लोगों को देखते रहेंगे कि बाकी लोग कैसे कैसे कर रहे हैं, तो आप अपनी लाइफ में कभी ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे. You will not be able to grow in your life, anyone. Make this a point in your life. This is nothing but your entire personal development. This is nothing but your growth, right? So when you are on your journey, don't compare yourself. Have a positive outlook towards your life. Okay? So let's move forward to the secret box of the day. Let's move forward to the secret box of the day. Excited, everyone? Are you all excited to know what is the secret box for the day? Are you all excited to know the secret box of the day, everyone? Awesome. So the secret box of the day is that today you have to write down that what do you want to become in your life. What do you want to become in your life? Think about it. क्या बनना क्या चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ में? What do you want to become in your life? Write it down. Why you want to become that? Write it down. Okay, write it down. What do you want to become in your life? Why do you want to become in your life? Why do you want that thing only in your life? For example, you want to become an IAS officer. Why do you want to become an IAS officer? Why you want to become an IPS officer? Your why should be clear over there. When you will write it down, okay, then you will create a video. Then you will create a video of 1 minute wherein you will be telling us that yes, my name is this and I want to become a pilot, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer, I want to do this, I want to do that, and tell your reason, tell your why you want to be that. Okay everyone, why do you want to become that? समझ आया सबको? वेरी इजी. बेटा डॉक्टर की स्पेलिंग तो ठीक लिखो पहले. DOCTOR होता है, right? And all of you focus on your English, focus on your grammar. That's very important everyone. Focus on your language, because your writing skills also comes in your communication. If you are doing mistakes in your spelling, if you are doing mistakes in your grammar, that is something that will not be entertained in the later part of life. Okay? So all of you clear? The secret box is clear everyone? Everyone, the secret box is clear? Okay. Let me tell you once again everyone, आपको क्या करना है? You have to take a piece of paper. You have to take a paper जिसमें आप लिखोगे what I want to become in my life, and then you will write down I want to become this. I want to become this, and then you will write down why you want to become that. Why you want to become that? Okay. Then you will write down why you want to become that. उसके बाद you will create a 1 minute video. You will create a 1 minute video wherein you will be telling us that my name is, for example, Pooja, and I want to become a communication coach, and what I am right now as well. I want to become a very good communication coach, a renowned communication coach, and why I want to do that? So that I can help people in communication, so that I can help people in upgrading themselves, so that I can inspire people, I can travel the world, I can do a lot of things, I can have financial freedom, I can have financial stability. Right? So this is my why. You also have to write your why, and then you have to create a video जहाँ पे आप ये बताएंगे कि yes, I want to become this, and this is my why, and then you have to send in your video to me by 10 PM today on my email ID. Okay everyone, got it? Everyone, got it? Got to understand? समझ आया आप लोगों को? Awesome. Anybody, you have any doubts? And my email ID is poojagulati999@gmail.com. You all know that, right? It's poojagulati999@gmail.com. poojagulati999@gmail.com is my mail ID. And the people, those who are just watching the session and they are not doing the activity and they are not sending the activity, trust me, you will not be able to see results. Trust me, you will not be able to see any results. Yes, it's poojagulati999@gmail.com. So all of you are enjoying your personality development class? Everyone? You are enjoying your personality development class, everyone? Everyone, are you? I want to become an eye surgeon. Okay, you will do that. You will become that. Okay. You are enjoying your personality development class, everyone? Awesome. Good. Very good. You are learning something new over here? Yes, exactly, right? You are learning something new over here. Every day you learn something new, right? Right? अभी तक आप लोगों ने क्या क्या सीखा? मुझे एक वर्ड में बताओ चलो. अभी तक आप लोगों ने क्या क्या सीखा? Tell me in one word, everyone. It has been 7 days that we are doing, where we send our video on my mail ID. Vinita, you have to send it on my mail ID, okay? You was so good. You explain each and everything. You was me. You are so good. Okay. You are so good. Okay. Anger management. You have learned anger management. You have learned time management. You have learned time management, anger management. What else you have learned, everyone? Tell me. क्या क्या सीखा अभी तक आप लोगों ने? क्या क्या सीखा अभी तक आप लोगों ने, ये बताओ. Self esteem, that's very important, right? Yes, Vinita, please ask me. पूछिए क्या पूछना है आपको. So everybody, I'm asking you, what have you learned out of these 7 days of classes? Self love. We make a list of toddlers. नहीं होता सोनिया. It's to-do list. TO-DO. That's your to-do list. Can you take individual classes? You can contact me for that. Okay? You can contact me for that. You can get in touch with me on my Instagram, or you can get in touch with me on my Facebook as well. Okay? Self-love, self-confidence, self-esteem. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Ma'am, what is your mail ID? My mail ID is poojagulati999@gmail.com. You have learned anger management. You have learned ERS. Awesome. ERS is my favorite because I have done it. I don't have your number, dear. Connect with me on my Instagram, or you can connect with me on my Facebook. Okay? My Instagram ID is Unleashed with Pooja. Okay? UNLEASHWITHPOOJA, or and Nirmal, you can either contact me on my mail ID. You have it now. Okay? poojagulati999@gmail.com. Okay? You can either contact me there. Personal growth, personal development, self-knowledge. What else you have learned, everyone? And tomorrow is your off, everyone, right? Tomorrow is your off. There will be no class tomorrow. Positivity, you have learned positivity. Okay. Very good, everyone. Very good. Awesome. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that even if there is a couple of people, I want to take English speaking classes. You can contact me, dear. You can contact me. Let's not talk about that over here, right? You can contact me. Okay? Okay, awesome. I'm so happy that even if there are a small fraction of students that come up to the class, but you all are very regular. You all are very regular. Right? That's very, very important. Very, very important. Clap for all of you. Very good. Such great students I have. Very good. Very good, very good. And let's thank Raval Digital Man for organizing such an incredible summer camp for all of us, and for all of you wherein you are learning so many things. So, right. What is the full form of ERS? बताओ क्या होता है ERS का full form बताओ चलो. Everybody please tell me the full form of ERS. Those who know? Thank you so much, Nirmal. Thank you. Everybody tell me what is explain it. Yes, very good. What is R, everyone? What is R, everyone? In ERS, what is R? E is explain it. What is R? फटाफट बताओ. Reinforce. Okay. And S is, what is S? Read it नहीं है. Explain it, reinforce it, and summarize it. Very good, Sandhya. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Okay. Very good. It's ERS formula, that is explain it, reinforce it, and summarize it. Okay. This is the full form of ERS. Okay. So all of you do your secret box of the day. You have time till 10 p.m. today. Send it to me and grow yourself. Just involve yourself in good things and develop yourself. Okay. Develop yourself and attend all the classes, and tomorrow is your off, right? Tomorrow is your off. So you can enjoy tomorrow, you can enjoy your Sunday, and tell your friends to join the classes. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone, for joining today's session. It was really amazing to see all of you here, and take care, stay safe, and very good, Swati. Very good. Very good. You are such a good student. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.